Once upon a time, in a tiny town named Starville, a special friend named Silver Surfer lived. He was not a human, but a silver-shimmering, board-riding space explorer. Every night, Silver Surfer would glide through the starry sky, leaving a trail of shimmering stardust. The townsfolk would look up and see his gleaming figure, and their hearts would swell with joy. One night, a little girl named Lily noticed something unusual. Silver Surfer seemed sad. She decided to help him, even though she was just a small child. Lily went to her room, picked up her telescope, and peered into the night sky. She asked Silver Surfer, "Why are you sad, friend? What's wrong?" Silver Surfer, surprised by her question, explained, "I have lost my shimmering stardust. Without it, I cannot travel through the universe." Lily's eyes sparkled with determination. She said, "Don't worry, Silver Surfer. I'll help you find your stardust." With a heart full of courage, Lily followed the trail of stardust that Silver Surfer left behind. She traveled through the cosmos, meeting galaxies, planets, and stars along the way. Finally, she found a beautiful comet that was made entirely of shimmering stardust. She knew this was the one. Lily approached the comet, and with a gentle touch, she plucked a piece of stardust. It was a small act, but it made a big difference. With the stardust in her hand, Lily returned to Silver Surfer. He looked at her with gratitude in his eyes. As she gave him the stardust, his board began to glow again. Silver Surfer thanked Lily and said, "You have shown me the power of kindness, little one. Always remember that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference." From that night on, Silver Surfer never forgot the bravery and kindness of Lily. He continued his nightly travels, always watching over Starville, and Lily grew up to be a beacon of kindness in her own right. And so, the story of Silver Surfer and Lily serves as a reminder that no matter how big or small, acts of kindness can light up the darkest corners of the universe. Good night.